Now guys, we grow edos. Edos is a crop you can grow, and depending on which zone you're in, you could plant back the top in the fall after harvest and it regrow itself in the spring. During the garden season here, we feed off of these leaves, we call this callaloo, the edo leaf, also the dasheen leaf you can use as well. We use these and we boil them up together with okra and we create a healthy meal. This is the okra you see growing up here. So we take the okras and this healthy meal, guys. So this crop is what's gonna continue producing leaf, and at the end of the season we're gonna able to harvest. Now okra is a late summer crop. When I say a late summer crop, what I mean, you don't want to plant them too much in the spring when the cold weather. So you want when the full heat, because okra love full heat. Alright, so you have to know to space it out. So what we did, we plant potato, we plant cabbage, we plant squash and these type of early crop. So as soon as we harvest the potato, we start to plant different food, which is okra, ginger, all these crop we start bringing out. So you want to plant in a way, this is the ginger right here, you want to plant in a way that your crop, when one season is over, which is the cabbage, the broccoli, you want to have something to replace that. Like for instance, we bring out the cucumber, and the cucumber, these cucumber never stop producing somehow or the other, and I'm enjoying it. Look at half down there again, not stop producing, we keep harvesting. So this breed of cucumber, we love to keep them because I see something within them. Now we have the eggplant we bring out in the late spring, early summer. We bring out our eggplant. Now these eggplants not gonna continue produce right down to the frost. So you have to know what to plant, guys, so your garden could continue. Some people garden season over in July. Yeah, I know you have a short growing season, but July you still could plant, go down to your frost. But the trick is plant things that can produce during the season. So these not gonna stop produce. We have the pepper here, not gonna stop produce. Look here. This is eggplant. We already have this eggplant already. Look how much eggplant this plant is pushing right at this moment. And look how massive these trees are. These plants, eggplant is a good plant to plant. Why? Because you're gonna get a lot of eggplant from them. Alright? So it's gonna continue and it's not gonna stop until the spring. We also plant sweet potato. In June we plant sweet potato because that's when the weather is steaming. That's when the weather, you want to plant potato in the steaming heat, the summer. That's when they love it. So yes, this one here is a dasheen as well. So over here is another edo crop. You want to plant these things because you can feed from their leaf and also their root. So every year, this comes back up every year because we replant the head of the plant in the fall when we harvest. So we have our eggplant. So far, and we're in August, we have our turmeric. We have our ginger growing up here. All this is ginger, and we have our massive okra plants growing. Look, that one have a nice eggplant down there. I'm gonna harvest that in a minute. Alright? So we have sweet potato. These are crop you wanna have, guys. If you wanna have a garden, just keep producing. A productive garden season, you gotta choose what to plant. Alright, so this is why my garden will always have food, because I choose the things that I'm growing. I'm not just growing any and everything. I'm choosing what I'm growing. Alright, these are ginger growing up here again, guys. So now you know the ginger is not going to harvest maybe until October, November. We start them indoors. So we have the ginger, and right here we have our little herb bed, our scallion, rosemary, sage. It's a little bushy. It's a little bushy, but it's still, this is leaf of life growing here. Bushy, but it's still looking beautiful. Now we have border growing up here. And up there we have edos growing up there, guys. Over this side here, we have black-eyed beans, which is this. This is our black-eyed beans. Some of them almost dry already, you see. This whole patch here is black-eyed beans growing up here. And above there, we have edos growing up. So let's go back this side. All this is edos, guys. So you always have food to eat. You could eat the leaf from the potato. You could eat leaf from potato. You could also eat the edo leaf. Not just eat them, guys. Cooking them, you have okra. Look how much okra this thing is pushing out one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's heading up there. So these okra is producing 4, 5, 6 okra at the same time. We also have this plant where you might see many places, but this is a very interesting plant. The Japanese love this plant. What this plant name? The Shisho plant. Do some research on this plant and you might just love it. Now, these are some okra. I might have to harvest some of them today. This one here. Might have to have 2 days ago I did a video that I upload where I harvest edos a couple days ago, okras a couple days ago, and they're producing a lot and pretty fast. Alright, how do you get your plant to produce a lot and pretty fast? It's the way you treat your plant, guys. It's the way you treat your plant and what you feed them with. A lot of people not really listening to the gardeners, them who out there, who trying to really make a difference and trying to maintain organic garden. A lot of people not into that. But guys, we cannot throw away the culture of growing organic garden. Look how much thing is on this. Look here. And we also got to leave some for seed. Now guys, so you want to grow the okra, you want to grow the ginger, you want to grow edos, you want to grow peppers. This crop is what going to last you right down to the garden season. So you're going to be producing, they're going to keep producing right down to the season. Now these are our bell pepper. Earlier in the year, the deer bite down all these peppers. Bite them down. But now they're picking high. These pepper come from a 9-foot tall pepper tree. And this one is not far from here. This one gonna get there before the season over. Let me show you how these pepper produce as well. Which these pepper gonna need some stick. This have a nice one here. And look over there. It's loaded in the top. Right here again. And they have a nice big one down here. And it's loaded with pepper. Look at this one here. Look how much pepper this thing having. Alright. Look, this one loaded with pepper. They need staking up though. They need staking up. Loaded with pepper, guys. Watch here. Loaded, all of them. So they all need staking up, guys. So this is what I'm saying, guys. You have to know your soil. You have to know your garden. You have to know what makes sense. If you want to grow a successful garden, you have to pay attention to what grows well in your zone and also try to prolong your garden season. Instead of you try to plant a crop that's going to give you an early crop and then your summer crop and then you don't have a summer crop, It don't make sense. Guys, look at this. I do not need to plant a fall garden. I plant these since early summer, late spring, and my garden is still producing on to this day. So you want to plant plants that can prolong the season. Some of them you could feed from the soil, the plant, the leaf. So there's a lot of plant in here I can feed from their leaf. Then come back, you're feeding from their root. Sorry. The okra just keep producing. The pepper just keep producing. The edos keep producing leaf. And soon we're going to be harvesting their root. So this is it, guys. So the ginger is getting ready to harvest maybe in October. And look again, guys. Fig. Look at this fig. Ripe till it bursts. Alright, there's a next one I now see a mile. Okay. Look at next one here, right here. It's ripe till it bursts, guys. You see? So we're growing fig as well. And next thing you want to grow, let's go down here and let me show you guys the next thing you want to grow. Pumpkin. You want to grow pumpkin. If you're in the place where you have the space, you want to grow some pumpkin. The reason for that is this is what gonna give you your late crop. All right, this gonna give you a late crop. Look, we have our squash producing there as well. So yes, guys, plant this crop: pumpkin, squash, edos, dasheen, grapes, peppers, okra. You would not regret it, guys. You will not regret it. Food everywhere. Everywhere is food. And